Well, this week, the Supreme Court allowed the Trump administration to move forward with part of its plans to reshape the federal government with mass layoffs. A federal judge had previously blocked the president's executive order from fully taking effect. Chief legal correspondent Jan Crawford joins me now. So, Jan, let's start with what the court actually said here.
Well, I mean, Maurice, this was a very limited kind of let's wait and see order. I mean, it's going to let the administration go forward with plans for scaling back the federal workforce. But the court made clear it is leaving the door wide open for challenges to just what exactly those plans are for the various federal agencies. They're not weighing in on that now. In the order, 8 justices, including 2 of the court's 3 liberals, agreed that that California federal judge just put the brakes on way too soon when she ruled that the administration needed special permission from Congress to even start coming up with staffing and personnel decisions for federal agencies. The justices said no. I mean, the administration has the better argument at this preliminary stage that presidents have the power to restructure executive branch agencies as long as it's done consistent with the law and within the confines already set up by Congress. So the question now is the specifics of those restructuring plans for the agencies, and are they consistent with the law? And Maurice, that is where we're going to see the real legal battles going forward.
So, Jan, what does all of this mean in practice here?
Well, I mean, Maurice, it means that all these federal agencies, about 24, now they can finalize plans for laying off thousands of staff. But those plans are still going to be subject to lawsuits, litigation. So you're going to see a new round of these lawsuits that some of these restructuring efforts actually exceed President Trump's authority. You're going to see arguments that dramatic reductions on staffing or kind of certain layoffs would cripple an agency or would be at odds with what Congress intended when it created that agency. I mean, there are just a ton of legal issues for courts to resolve on this, including even which federal court has the power to even review these kind of claims, Maurice.
Okay, Jan Crawford tonight, thank you.